Hey everyone, it's Jessica with Starkweather Association Services, your partner in technology optimization, with a 1-minute YM on our most requested report of all time. Reconciliation of payments, so that you can reconcile your bank deposit report with the payments within your membership. Now we are looking at the report right here, so you can see the end result, and then I'm going to walk you through how to create this yourself. But let me just tell you, if you know that reporting is not your strong suit, if you need help with any end of year or end of month reports to help you tie everything up, we do have accounting and reporting specialists on staff at Starkweather. So don't rip your hair out, don't stress out. We're here to support you and get the job done efficiently. Okay, so here's what the report looks like, and the idea is that you can take your bank deposit report and match it up with the payments in YM, and typically you would do that by the reference number so that you can line everything up. So this is one that we've already created. So to start creating this yourself on your own site, you would go to Exports and Reporting, build a query or report, and then for your area of interest, select Commerce. And then once you do that, you'll get to this page. Now, you can choose what fields you want to select, but some of the ones that we recommend are invoice number, reference number, of course, because that's what's sent back to YM during the pre-authorization, so that's typically what you're going to match on. But you'll probably also want to include the customer name and organization, credit card type. And then those are all from the invoice table. And then you'll also want to go down to the invoice items table, and we can grab the date, the description, and the line total, and that will make more sense when we see what's actually on the report. Now we'll go to the query filters. Now what you're definitely wanting to do is limit it to the invoice description and payments only, right? We're only looking at payments, so make sure you get that in there. And then looking at the date submitted, this is where it depends on how much data, what time frame you're looking at. So in this case, I have this year only because we're using a sandbox site here and we don't have a lot of data on our site. So I'm looking at this year just so I can get some examples for you. But if you are doing this every single day, then you might want to change this to yesterday. So every day you can come in here and see all of the payments that came through the previous day. If you have this set up where you want it to email you every single week, then you can set it to last week. And then every Sunday morning you can get an email in your inbox showing you all the payments from the previous week. Now, I'm not going to get into report scheduling and emailing in this video, but we do have a previous video about that in our library. So take a look at that if you're interested in report scheduling, or you can email us and we'll get you sorted out with that. But that is a really useful tool, so you don't have to come in here all the time. You can just have it sent right to your email. Okay, so but for this video, I'm going to keep it at this year. And that's really all you need in terms of the filters. So now we're going to run our report. And here we are. So this should give us all the data that we need to match things up with our bank deposit report. One other tip I have for you is that you can drag these around. So for instance, maybe you want the reference number over here. The idea is that you want to make this as easy as possible to reconcile. So if your bank deposit report has the reference number over on the left, you can drag it over on the left. Basically, you can just put these in the right order so that it's easier to look at them when you're comparing these two reports. And then when you save the report, it will save the order of each column. So then you can go to save this report, and then I won't get into the details here, but again, you can publish it and email it to yourself. There you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified on all the other amazingly helpful time-saving tips that we have for you. And of course, if you need some extra help, if you're short on time and you want to get this done right and efficiently, then the Starkweather team is here to support you. So go ahead and visit us online at starkweather.us and schedule a call, or if you're an existing client, just reach out to your account rep. Happy reporting and end of year wrap up, and we will see you for the next 1 Minute YM. Take care.